Welcome back everyone to DT Mathematics. Another lesson on simplifying expressions. In this lesson, I will take a look at algebra fractions. How do we simplify algebra fractions? Let's take a look at example 1. X plus 1 over 3 plus 3x minus 2 over 2. In order to simplify the algebra fraction, we will proceed just like doing a regular fraction, where we will need to find the lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator of 3 and 2 is 6. So we proceed by using 6 as the lowest common denominator. Procedure: we divide each denominator into the lowest common denominator. So 3 we'll divide into 6, gives 2. Take that 2 and multiply the numerator. Let me repeat. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. That 2 we'll use to multiply the numerator, which is x plus 1. But these are two terms. So in order to multiply two terms, we will use a bracket. So 2 times x plus 1, close bracket. Plus sign, replace the plus sign. Now divide into the lowest common denominator. 2 into 6 again goes 3 times. Take that 3 and multiply the numerator. Let me repeat. 2 divides into 6 goes 3 times. Take that 3 and multiply the numerator. So 3 times 3x minus 2. Now, there's nothing left to be done to the denominator. All the work now is in the numerator. So we'll keep the denominator in every line. Now, let's expand both brackets. The first bracket, remember, whatever is outside of the bracket, you will use to multiply the terms inside of the bracket. So now 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 gives 2. So that takes care of the first bracket. Now the second bracket, outside of the bracket, positive 3. Take 3 times 3, 9. So 3 times 3x, positive 9x. Take 3 again, times minus 2. Positive times negative is negative, so positive 3 times minus 2 gives you a minus 6 here. Now, we'll continue to simplify the numerator by grouping like terms. 2x with 9x. So 2x plus 9x goes together. Positive 2 with minus 6 goes together. Keep the denominator in every line. So our final answer is 2x plus 9x gives 11x. Positive 2 minus 6 gives minus 4. All over 6. So the final answer is 11x minus 4 over 6. Let's do example 2. In example 2, the LCM, or the lowest common multiple, or some say the lowest common denominator of 4 and 3 is 12. So let's start with 12 as the lowest common denominator. Now let's divide into the lowest common denominator, take the answer, multiply the numerator. So 4 into 12 goes 3 times. That 3 I will need to take and multiply the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 open bracket a minus 2 close bracket. Replace the subtraction sign here. Let's divide. 3 into 12 goes 4. Place the 4 right here. multiply the numerator, which is a plus 3. Now I will need to remove both brackets by multiplying. Remember, 9 times a, 9a, 9 times minus 2, minus 18. Second bracket, minus 4 times a, minus 4a, minus 4 times positive 3, minus 12. Replace the denominator. Now, still need to simplify further by grouping like terms right now. 9a minus 4a goes together. Minus 18 and minus 12 goes together. The denominator is still 12. So we can write our final answer as 9a minus 4a, 5a, and minus 18 and a minus 12 gives minus 30 because we are adding and keeping the minus sign in the answer. So it's 5a minus 30 over 12. That is the final answer, and that cannot be simplified any further.